how to turn off the keyboard light on your Dell laptop. Now this can typically be done just by using a key combination on your keyboard. So first thing you want to do is come over to your keyboard and you need to locate the backlight key. Now typically this will be one of the F keys at the top of your keyboard, so it could be F5, F6, F7 or F10 as well. So I'm just going to try pressing all these keys starting with F5. You can also try F6 and F10 as well. Now if it's not working, you may need to go and unlock the function keys first. So what you're going to do is hold down the Fn key and also the escape key at the same time. Now once you've done this, just go and try pressing the F keys once again. So you can try F5, F6, F7 and also F10. Now if it's still not working, there's one final thing to try. Hold down the Fn key on your keyboard and then once again try pressing the different F keys. So I'm going to hold down the Fn key and I'm also going to try Fn and F5, Fn and F6, and finally Fn and F10. Once you've done this, you should now be able to turn off the keyboard backlight.